Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this video, I'll show you how to change your email address on AliExpress in just a few simple steps. Updated for 2025. Let's get started. Step 1. Log in to your AliExpress account. Go to aliexpress.com using your browser, or open the AliExpress mobile app. Log in with your current email and password. Note: you can't change your email from a guest or social media account. You need to log in with a regular email-based AliExpress account. Step 2. Access account settings. Once you're logged in on desktop, click your profile icon in the top right corner. Select Account Settings from the drop-down menu. On the mobile app, tap on Account, then go to Settings. Step 3. Go to Login and Security Settings. On the website, under Account Settings, click on Login and Security. You'll see your current email listed here. Important: changing your email may require identity verification for security reasons. Step 4. Click on Change Email. Next to your email address, click the Change or Edit button. You'll be asked to verify your identity, either by confirming a code sent to your current email or entering your password. Step 5. Enter new email address. After verification, type in the new email address you want to use. Make sure it's a valid and accessible email. AliExpress will send a confirmation code to that new email. Step 6. Confirm and save. Check your inbox for the verification code. Enter the code on the AliExpress page, then click Confirm or Save. You'll see a message saying your email was successfully updated. From now on, use your new email when logging into AliExpress. Extra tip: still not getting the verification code? Check your spam or junk folder, and make sure you don't already have an AliExpress account with that new email. If so, you'll need to delete or merge accounts. And that's it. You've now successfully changed your AliExpress email address in 2025. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more easy tech how-tos every week. See you in the next guide.